Let's relax. You can lie down on your back, keeping your palms open, facing towards the ceiling. Let there be a gap between both your legs. Eyes are closed. Come into the awareness of this body. Be more and more focused on your body. Now bring your focus on your chest. As you focus, be aware of your breath. Breathe in with complete awareness. Breathe out with complete awareness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And this time, as you breathe out, relax. Allow your body to completely relax. Stay connected, stay aware of your breath. Drop your shoulders. Let loose your body. Release the lines from your forehead. And let's begin our journey of relaxing our whole body. We'll start from our toes. Bring your focus on your toes. And as you focus, create an intention. My toes are completely relaxed. Now focus on your soles and feet. Relax. Focus on both your ankles. Relax them. Focus on your right leg. Your calf muscles, your knees, your thighs, hips, relax. Relax your left leg. Now focus on your back, lower back, mid back and upper back. Relax. Relax your spine. Focus on your stomach. Relax your stomach. Relax all the organs there. Now focus on your chest. Relax. Now bring your focus on your right arm. Relax your complete right arm, right from the tip of your fingers, palm, wrist, your elbows, shoulder joint. Relax. Now relax your left arm, tip of the fingers, palm, wrist, elbow, shoulder joint. All the muscles on your arm are relaxed. Now focus on your shoulders. Keep them loose, keep them relaxed. Release all the stress, all the stiffness, any pain. Release, let go, and completely relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Now relax your face. Let there be a gentle smile on your face. Release the lines from your forehead. Keep it loose and relaxed. Relax your head. Now observe your whole body. Simply observe your whole body. Be with the relaxed experience within your body. I am completely relaxed. I feel comfortable. I'm at ease. Let go, release, and relax more, relax deeper. Create a deep sense of gratitude for this body, thankfulness for this body. This body has served me. This body has helped me experience. All the various events of my life, being complete thankfulness. Go deeper into your relaxation. Relax with every exhalation. Let your exhalations be longer, deeper. You can maintain the smile and observe the whole energy, the positive energy. As you relax yourself, you allow your body and mind to heal. Keep relaxing, keep releasing. Relax. Relax.